Welcome back to Universal Info 24. Today, we're delving into a topic that's both intriguing and spine-chilling. What's the most painful way to die according to science? From ancient tales to modern research, humanity has long been fascinated by the concept of pain and mortality. Prepare to journey with us into the depths of scientific understanding as we uncover the answers to this morbid question. We are all mortal, and there is nothing we can do about it other than hope to live a long, happy life. Of course, if we pass away in a peaceful, pain-free way, that is very much welcome. But unfortunately, this is not the case for everyone. In fact, there are indeed very painful ways to die. We delve into what science has to say about it. Number 1. Electrocution. Many of us have experienced small electric shocks, and they sure can be painful. But dying by electrocution is a whole different ballgame. When a powerful enough electric charge hits a person, their muscles seize, bones break, the skin swells up, and even eyeballs can pop out of their sockets. The whole process is excruciating. Punishing someone with death by electric chair truly was a barbaric practice. However, the same fate can be met by anyone who comes in contact with a high-voltage conductor without the proper protective measures. Number 2. Radiation. One of the scariest things about radiation is that it is invisible and, in the right doses, fatal. But what actually happens when you suffer acute radiation syndrome, ARS? To begin with, it damages both tissue and genetic material. This then translates into a number of health problems that impact the immune system. These eventually lead to serious complications, such as the collapse of the circulatory system and ultimately death. This horrific fate is common for those involved in nuclear disasters, such as the Chernobyl accident in 1986. Number 3. Freezing to death is not as still and peaceful as it might sound. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Hypothermia will make a person shiver uncontrollably in the first stages. This will then be followed by muscle stiffness and brain malfunction. As your body tries to supply blood to your vital organs, the extremities will become painful. Frostbite then causes a burning sensation. Overall, freezing is definitely not a pain-free way to die. Number 4. Drowning. While it doesn't take forever, the process of drowning can be quite painful. To begin with, a person who is drowning is usually panicking, which leads to hyperventilation. But instead of air, the person will breathe in water. This will lead to a vocal cord spasm known as laryngospasm. But what causes the most pain is breathing in the water. Even for those who survive, their lungs remain in a state of pain for some time. Number 5. Pancreatic cancer. From nerve pain to bone damage and treatment side effects, dying of cancer can be very painful, and pancreatic cancer is arguably the worst when it comes to pain. Pancreatic cancer can cause a great deal of pain when it presses against the nerves around the area. This causes agonizing abdominal and back pain. Intestinal blockages can also occur, as well as referred soft tissue pain in other parts of the body. Number 6. Lethal injection. This form of execution is supposed to be less painful when compared to other methods, but this isn't always the case. The most common protocol once included 3 drugs: a barbiturate, an anesthetic, a muscle relaxant, and finally a drug to stop the person's heart. But this 3-drug protocol was abandoned by some justice systems in favor of single drugs. These, however, can make the pain last for minutes to hours until the person dies. Many of these drugs will make the person relax, but they are not anesthetics, so the pain is not addressed. For instance, extreme pulmonary edema has been found in autopsies of executed prisoners. And there you have it, folks. From excruciating burns to agonizing suffocation, we've explored some of the most harrowing ways to meet one's end according to science. Remember, while it's important to satiate our curiosity, let's also cherish the precious gift of life and strive to make each moment count. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the mysteries of our world.